Yo, what is poppin', Snake Gang? Hope you guys are all having a great day. Hope you guys have been having some good trading weeks, man. Hope everything's been going positive for you in your life. I know times are hard with this whole COVID thing still, and a lot of people have been affected, so, you know what I'm saying? I'll be praying for all of you guys every day, man. And, you know, keep your heads up. But today's video is gonna be definitely different, and I usually I've never made a video like this in my entire life. But when I tell you guys that this bot right here is fucking insane, I mean that with everything, man. And I don't use stuff like this, but this right here can really up your confirmation game. I promise you guys, we'll get into it in a second. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram to keep up to date with everything I do, giveaways, you know, lifestyle stuff, new cars, anything that, you know, happens in my day-to-day life. It's all on my Instagram, you know what I'm saying? And like when I'm not posting on YouTube, I'm always posting on Instagram. That usually never stops. So follow my Instagram right here. Check out my new music video. I'll have a link in the description to that. That thing went up, it was lit. Other than that, you guys really requested this video after my last video where I kind of showed you guys a little preview of this bot. And I decided to help you guys out, show you guys what it's about, show you how deadly this bot can really be. And yeah, man, this is definitely the best all-in-one indicator you're ever gonna get. So let's go ahead and get into the video, show you guys what it does, how I use it, where you can get it. Any video you guys wanna see below, let me know, and I will go ahead and get to that as soon as I can. Let's do this. Oh, shit. Alrighty, guys. First things first, this is called a Lux Algo Premium Bot. What it really essentially is an all-in-one indicator with a bunch of different indicators and confirmations to kind of help you trade. It's very, very simple to use, and it can be really deadly if used the right way. Disclaimer, this is not a signal bot, okay? This is not giving you straight up signals, okay? It says buy here, buy. It says sell here, sell. That is not what this is in any way, but this is a fully customizable all-in-one indicator, if you know, the easiest way to really say it. So with that being said, man, I'm gonna show you guys how I use it, what it does, all that good stuff, man. Link will be in the description on where you can, you know, get this, and they have all kinds of little intro videos and how to use it, tutorials, all that stuff. They'll never leave you lost. It'll all be down there. So just look in my description box and make sure you guys use discount code MAMBA. It's gonna save you guys 10% at checkout. But let's go ahead and get into exactly what this bot does, okay? So I'm on GBP/USD on the 1 hour, okay? I have the bot set up to all the basic settings. Nothing has been changed yet. This is just the basic settings, okay? This is what you're gonna see when you first download the bot, okay? Boom. Right off the bat, you can already see how accurate this bot really is. And just to kind of, you know, show you guys how to use it, so you're not just going into it blindly, let me show you, okay? So obviously right off the bat, looking at GBP/USD, you can see at this area, we are in a uptrend, right? So this sell signal here, and I'm gonna refer to it as signals because it's kind of, you know, it's a little signal telling you, know, it's a good time to sell, good time to buy, right? This sell signal here is not nearly as accurate as these buy signals. Why? Because we are currently in this uptrend, okay? As you guys can see, price is moving up. We have a buy signal here, okay? If you would have got in on that buy, just looking at that by itself, you know, 85 pips. If you would have got in on this strong buy, okay, you know, over 120 pips. Okay, even if you would have got in for this sell, I mean, you wouldn't want to because you're going against the trend, but you could have caught, you know, 41 pips, just depending on how you look at it, got out before the support was made, however you want to look at it, okay? One thing I do want to mention really fast is when you get a signal, a buy or a sell signal, these little coloring schemes are going to help you tremendously, okay? So, as you can see, we have a strong buy position here, and the candles actually ended up staying green throughout. Anytime the candles are green and you're in a buy, that means continue to hold your position, okay? You don't want to close this position until you see the candle turn purple, or obviously red would mean we're in a sell now, but purple would mean, okay, it's a good time to get out, right? So this actually told you, okay, look, we're still green, we still believe price is going to continue up, we still think price is going to continue up, and boom. Price is now coming down, we don't think it's going to continue up anymore, and boom, purple candle came up, you could have got out, and then that's when price started to drop, right? Very, very simple on how this works, but do not use it by itself. Do not just get in for these buys and these sells carelessly. Do not do that. Use this as an extra confirmation, but use this as a very, very, very high probability confirmation. So if you already have 3 confirmations, you see you're on a support, like for example, check this out. Okay, support was made here, right? You can even look at this little wick right here. Boom. support was made on that resistance, right? So we have double supports here. We could even run our Fibonacci from the top to the bottom. We are in that Fibonacci gold zone that I always preach about. Check this out. 2 confirmations right there, right? And that's without the algo. That's without Lux algo. That's just, you know, basic trading. 2 confirmations right here. We're in an uptrend, 3 confirmations. I'm thinking let's buy. This is a good buy. But guess what? Now you come in, you look at your Lux algo. Whoa, a strong buy position after all this buying power I already assumed was happening. Boom. Price shot straight up. So now we're using this as another confirmation, and that's really all it is just an all-in-one confirmation. And they have so many different tools on here, it's actually fucking ridiculous. First things first, I mean, there's this little dashboard that kind of just gives you a little bit of info on why it's a buy, why it's a sell. Currently we're in a buy. As you can see, we're in a state of trend, which means we're in this uptrend, and you guys can clearly see that anyways with your eyes. But it's also telling you, we are in a trend, okay? Lux control currently is bears by 58%, which means we're in a, we're in an uptrend, right? But, it's kind of being controlled by these bears right now, and we're kind of getting consumed, right? We're going down. We're not going up as much as we'd like to anymore for an uptrend, okay? Estimated liquidity level is medium, and then you got your sessions and all these different numbers, right? Very simple stuff. But it's very, very important to look at this dashboard sometimes because it will tell you the volatility. It'll tell you if you're trending like you are, or if you don't know what a trend looks like, it'll tell you that you're trending. You'll have your liquidity level. I say that like an idiot. And it'll tell you, we're confirmation, or we're confirming that it is a buy. So this dashboard right here is pretty important. I like to look at it as well sometimes, but you don't have to necessarily use it, okay? So let's go to the settings on this algo and kind of just see different things you can do. Obviously, you can adjust everything. Everything is completely adjustable. You can change the sensitivity, you know what I'm saying? If you want to change the sensitivity to 20, boom. Now it's not going to be as sensitive. You're not going to get all of these sell and buys instantly. You might, clean it up a bit. Now you see a buy, a sell, a buy here, and then a strong sell here. Beautiful sell here, buy here, stuff like that. Very beautiful. It just depends on how you want to use it, and that's why it's all customizable. But as I said before, and I will say it over and over again, this is not a signal bot. This right here is going to give you that extra confirmation you need to trade, okay? All customizable. But one thing I really want to show you guys is something right here. Let's see, okay, dashboard location you can obviously change. Indication overlay is pretty cool. We have something called reversal zones, okay? These get respected pretty good too sometimes. Okay, let's turn these on. So as you guys can see, whenever price touches these reversal zones, we can see it come back down. Price touches the reversal zone, we're going up. Okay, price touched the reversal zone, came down a bit. Reversal zone down. Reversal zone up. Okay, pretty cool. Reversal zone got broken above, and then eventually it had to come back down, touch that reversal zone, stuff like that. So that's a pretty cool little indicator they also use. I currently am not really using this just because I'm trading with my own eyes, and then I'm just using this as an extra confirmation here and there, but I'm not actually using all this stuff. But you guys can use this stuff because it is very accurate as well. We have the EQ cloud, okay? So EQ cloud is pretty much anytime price is above this cloud, we're looking for buys. Anytime it's below, you'd be looking for sells, okay? You're above, you're looking for buys here. Broken below, at this point, you're looking for sells. Just stuff like that. Once again, I'm not using it, but it is there, and I don't know where the hell my chargers went, but EQ cloud, then there's both. You can have both on if you want. Very, very crazy looking screen, but it is there, and it is very attractive looking. However, I don't use these. I use my base settings, and I'm just pretty much trading how you guys know I trade. I'm looking for trends. I'm looking for this to be touched, okay? We see a trend here. We see that we're breaking below. Okay, I'm looking for a buy. Let's see what the Lux algo has to say. Oh, we're looking for a buy as well. Extra confirmation, extra confidence, and now I can even look at these to kind of see when it's telling me to get out of that buy, okay? Saw the purple. I'm getting out of this buy, okay? These are already purple, so maybe it's not that great of a buy because we see this consumption of bears, okay? Stuff like that. Very simple, but very, very, very effective, okay? So, as you guys can see right here, we have a beautiful trend that's going down. We had a good sell position here. Great sell position here. Obviously a buy position here you would not take because obviously we're on a downtrend, and we see these beautiful sell positions. We're not going to get in these buys. There's no way. You know what I'm saying? And that's kind of how you have to use it. You can't use it blindly and just go crazy. It's just don't waste your time doing that. You need to actually use it as a confirmation and you know, just kind of use it as that backup confirmation, so that you can kind of see which way markets are moving. You can even use it to see what kind of trends we're in, what kind of, you know, just stuff like that. This is a all-in-one indicator, you know what I'm saying, that you guys can really use to help you guys take your trades to the next level. I will never ever show you guys anything that I wouldn't use myself, ever. I'm never gonna show you guys, oh, look at this, you know what I'm saying, they sent me an offer for, you know, I'm not gonna say it. Oh, look at this, you know what I'm saying, you know, look at how good it is, blah blah blah, but I'm not using it. No, this right here I will use. I will literally use this sometimes and actually use this as another confirmation. Do I need to use it? No. But is it extra help and an extra confirmation? Yes. And it can be very helpful to new traders, you know, traders who've been trading for a while. Any trader, this can be helpful to. So the developers over at Lux Algo took all the relevant data and put it all into one place, so you're always getting updated info, and it's just, it's honestly a really good indicator, man. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. Like I said, I would not give you guys any type of indicator, any type of directional advice in life unless I really was using it and I really could vouch for them, and I vouch for this indicator right here more than anything. And you'll probably never ever see me do this ever again. I'll never show you guys no bots, I'll never show you guys nothing, but this right here, it blows my mind on how good it actually is. And if you really know how to trade and use it, it takes your trading to the next level. It's fucking insane. Links will be down in the description box. Go find the link to the Lux Algo website. You can use discount code MAMBA. That's gonna get you 10%, I think, off of the bot itself. And yeah, man, happy trading to you guys. All the tutorial on how to use this bot and all that good stuff, it's all on their website as well. So just go find that link, and you guys have a good day. I will see you in my next video. Let me know some suggestions, and peace.